capture this! This better be on YouTube when I expect it.
A civil authority has issued a fire warning for the following counties.
Fire warning, I don't think that counts.
At 10:04 am on October 14th, 2020, effective until 11:04 am. Message from WDS.
Fire warning when this is a RWT day.
Evacuations for Glenhaven, Retreat, Storm Mountain, and Palisade Mountain. Residents and business occupants should evacuate the area immediately and as quickly as possible due to immediate and imminent danger. Do not delay leaving to gather belongings or make efforts to protect your home or business. Evacuating immediately not only supports your safety, but also allows emergency crews better access to the area. For updates, text word LCEVAC to 888,777 from your cell phone. We will communicate information to that keyword as needed. Please do not call 911 unless you are in danger.